At the University Health Network, they keep looking at my LinkedIn over and over and over. Respiratory therapy. I guess there's lots of breathing emergencies, eh? All kinds of different kinds. Yet they've been teaching people to deny rescue breathing and give chest compressions to a beating heart. Not nice at all. Anyway, I might want to think. Yeah, this is the same day I posted that little bit up on the LinkedIn. University Health Network, CAMH, City of Toronto. The mayor held a press conference with the medical officer of health back in 2017 and said, it's a rescue breathing. Of course it is for any of the hundreds of causes of breathing emergencies.